How to download OBS Studio on Chromebook. Now, we definitely all know that if you're going to be downloading OBS Studio using Linux on your Chromebook and downloading it via from the built-in app store that you have from your Chromebook, it does not actually work. So what you're going to do is to open up your browser in your Chromebook and then just simply type in OBS project. Now we're going to do the same method via Linux, but the actual process is going to be different via the different link. Now just choose on there first a result that will redirect you to obsproject.com, and then this is going to be your interface. From here you will see Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Now just simply choose on Linux, and you will be getting another page. And here you just have to install OBS Studio from FlatHub right here, or just go directly and click this link right here, so that you could also follow the instructions on how you can properly install them using your Chromebook. And that's basically it. That is how you install OBS Studio on your Chromebook.